Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to activate Experian Identity Works in 2025. If you're concerned about identity theft or fraud, this service from Experian is a game changer, offering real-time monitoring, alerts, and protection for your personal information. It's easier than you might think, and by the end of this video, you'll be all set up and feeling more secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your activation code handy. This is usually sent via email or included in your purchase confirmation if you signed up through Experian. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Experian website at www.experian.com. Look for the Identity Works section. It's prominently featured on the homepage. Once you're there, click on the Activate Now button. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Experian account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, it's straightforward. Just click Create Account and enter your email, a strong password, and some basic details like your name and address. Remember, use a secure password with letters, numbers, and symbols to keep things safe. Next, enter your activation code in the designated field. This is a unique code that links the service to your account, so double-check for any typos. After that, you'll need to verify your identity. Experian might ask for details like your social security number, date of birth, or even a quick scan of your ID for added security. This step ensures that only you can access your protection features. Once verified, customize your settings. Choose what you want to monitor: credit reports, bank accounts, or even dark web scans, and set up alert preferences, like email or text notifications. Finally, hit Confirm Activation to finalize everything. You'll get a confirmation email right away. A quick tip: always use a private, secure internet connection for this process to protect your data. If you run into any issues, check Experian's Help Center or contact their support team. They're pretty responsive. And there you have it. You've successfully activated Experian Identity Works for 2025. Stay vigilant with your online security, and thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.